From the rainy hills of Jerusalem with our thought for the week. Terrible tragedy last week, 4 Jews killed in France. And it actually, reminds me, I was thinking that, we had a few weeks back, 4 Jews murdered in Har Nof. And there must be some connection to this idea of 4. The idea of 4, the concept of 4, is something we find in this week's Parsha with the 4 Lashonos of Geula. Geula. And I think we all sense that the events and things going on in the world today, we're leading up to the Geula. The Geula is there, it's coming. And somehow, at this terrible price, we need to be reminded to prepare and get ready and strengthen ourselves. And if we look at the Gemaras that speak about Geula, there's one Gemara in Sanhedrin, which says, Ha'osit b'Torah lishma mekarves ha'geula. Just like those men in Har Nof, they were davening, they were in a beis medrash, they were people that were osik in Torah. That brings the Geula. And the people in France getting ready for Shabbos, buying challahs for Shabbos. Shabbos brings the Geula, as we know, based on the Gemara in Shabbos, Kuf Yud Ches. And I think we just have to think, I need to strengthen my Asik HaTorah. I need to think, make a Seder, do something else, strengthening my commitment to Torah study. And Shabbos, I have to look at Shabbos. Buying a challah for Shabbos is something so holy, so special. And keeping Shabbos and doing the right thing on Shabbos. We have to strengthen that and know the Geula is coming. The Arba Lashonos of Geula. We have to get ready for redemption. These 4 people, terrible price to pay, but Hashem's reminding us the Geula is coming. Strengthen our learning, strengthen and appreciate Shabbos. B'ezrat Hashem, we shouldn't know any more pains. The Geula should come very quickly. Take care. Shabbat Shalom.